everybody, I want to presentation about Wright brothers. This is vocabulary. Opportune is tepat, proportion is bagian, combustion is pembakaran, dump is menghukum, construct is gagasan, slightly is sedikit, acceptable is dapat diterima, allowed is mengizinkan, previously is sebelumnya, incorporate is menyatukan, mention is menyebutkan, manage is mengawaki, encouragement is dorongan, aircraft is pesawat terbang, aerodynamics is dinamika udara. This is main idea. Main idea paragraph 1 is explanation of three reasons are most often cited. Main idea paragraph 2 is theories flight leaders pilot. Main idea paragraph 3 is the design if wing the Wright brothers. Main idea paragraph 4 is the Wright brothers not have success to achieve manned flight. Explanation of three reasons are most often cited. This question has often been posed. Why were the Wright brothers able to succeed in an effort at which so many others have failed? Many explanations have been mentioned, but three reasons are most often cited. First, they were a team. Both men worked congenially and cooperatively, read the same books, located and share information, talk encouragingly about the possibility of manned flight, and serve as a consistent source of inspiration and encouragement to each other. Quite simply, two genes are better than one. Theories flight glider pilot. Both were glider pilots, unlike some other engineers who experiment with the theories of flight. Orville and Wilbur Wright experienced the practical aspect of aerodynamics by building and flying in the kitties and gliders. Each craft they built was slightly superior to the last, as they incorporate knowledge they had gained from previous failures they had realized from their experiment that the most serious challenge in manned flight was the stabilizing and maneuvering the aircraft once it was airborne, while others concentrate their effort on the problems of achieving lift for takeoff. Wright brothers were focusing on developing a three-axis control for guiding their aircraft. By on the time that the brothers started to build an airplane, they were already among the world's best glider pilots. They knew the problems of reading on the air first hand. The design if wing the Wright brothers. In addition, the Wright brothers had designed more effective wings for the airplane that had been previously engineered using a wide tunnel. They tested more than 200 different wing designs, record the effect of slight varieties in shape on the pressure of air on the wings. The data from this experiment allowed the Wright brothers to construct a superior wing of their aircraft. The Wright brothers not have success to achieve manned flight. In spirit of these advantages, however, the Wright brothers might not have success had they not been born at precisely the opportune moment in history, a time to achieve manned flight in the early 19th century were dropped because the steam engine that powered the aircraft were too heavy in proportion to the power that they produced. But by the end of the 19th century, when the brothers were experimenting with engineering options, a relatively light internal combustion engine and had already been invented, and they were able to bring the ratio of weight to power within acceptable limits for flight. Conclusion: planes with the technology of choice, internal combustion engine, are relatively light. Thank you for watching my presentation.